guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. And we are going to go see this amazing car collection. Come along with us. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, you guys. We just walked in the door. Martin's Auto Museum. I should have showed you the outside. I'll show you that later. But 171 cars, trucks, whatever, collectibles. My gosh, look at this. Beautiful. What's this here? Let's see. Let's see what this is. 2016 Panther water car. Huh.
If you want, you can grab the 2 round burgundy linens and
Oh,
one
that's different.
burgundy. Put them, finish the
222 original miles. Yeah, they got Christmas car show going out in the parking lot. But we just come in here first. Yeah, Merry Christmas, you guys. Yeah. Oh, there's Jet Drive. There's a Jet Drive. Panther water car. Isn't that something else? And look, there's a... We've got a good ball hitch up there. Huh. Crossley. Little cars back here. 52 Crossley. Oh, that'd be fun. That would be fun to drive. All these would be. These are all Crossleys. 1939 Crossley convertible. 1950 Crossley Hot Shot. And you got a little back seat in there too. More Crossleys. Yep, Crossley. What's that?
Crossley is known for the small cars. They have built all small cars, but it went bankrupt in 1953, I think, because they never did take off.
Bankrupt in 1953. All right, I'm gonna go around and show you some of our favorite cars. Oh well. Yeah, they just moved into this building last spring, I think, and they use it for events. You can book it for events, event rooms. It's a huge building. There's that new Corvette. This is the C8 model Corvette. I like the C7 better. It was unique. This just looks like another Ferrari or Lamborghini. I got my favorite car ever. 65 Cobra AC 427.
Hi folks, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
How'd you like a brochure of the world's biggest fire museum right here in Phoenix?
Oh.
We have over, yeah, I'll open it up for you. We have over 140 pieces. We have 85 at a time. We're on show.
Cool.
Well, maybe I will.
Where's it at?
You know where the spring training used to be down at the Memorial Park on Van Buren?
Okay.
Where the zoo is?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
And where the Sun Devils play there now. We're right behind that, the SRP building right there. We're right across the street from it.
Yeah, I have
been there since 1974.
Okay.
We have 140 pieces. We're showing 85, all the way from 1725 up to 1971. Minus, we have Rescue 4 that was at 9/11. And then we also have the Hot Shots truck that 19 Yarnell firefighters died in. That's the only piece out of the 140 we don't own. It's owned by LA County Fire Museum.
Oh, okay.
They bought them, Prescott sold them on auction, and they bought them was one of the directors over there in an LA County retired at the museum. Oh, his son drove 7B.
Gotcha.
And so they bought them both, and that's the only thing that we have on loan.
Well, cool. Yeah, thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
for that.
And here's a couple of coupons. They're a couple bucks off. They're with this museum here and with ours on one side, and there's the other.
Okay.
Do them. So,
All right, very good.
yep. Enjoy.
We'll go check it out. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks. What days of the week is it open?
We're open on Sunday and Monday. We're not, and everything else is from 10 to 6.
Okay. All right, so you guys,
We went by a Sunday or Monday. We drove by and we didn't think they were open anymore. We didn't know they still existed.
yeah. Okay, so you guys are you're gonna have a fire engine, or fire equipment museum in your future. 1905 Cadillac, Model F Touring. A 1909 Rio, 5-passenger touring car. What is this? A replica of 1986 Benz motor wagon.
Sorry.
Okay, and here's an old Model T. You know, I have 3 sons, and their mom's dad, so their maternal grandpa builds or rebuilds these old tractors like this, and apparently they're gonna get handed down to my boys. Hogan's Heroes Mercedes 4-door Phaeton. Ha! Well, they signed it too. Wow, that's cool. The Hogan's Heroes car. Oh, I didn't notice a plate on this. Horseless carriage, and it's registered to be driven this year too. Yeah, all these are drivable. And this one here is on fire. 34 Plymouth 2-door. Oh, tow truck. $1928 Graham tow truck. Looks like Willie Nelson up there driving this one. 1917 Douglas dump truck. Hi, Willie. Not real talkative. All right, the race car room. A midget, probably USAC midget. USAC sprint car. '71 MGB. I always thought these would be fun to own too. I guess any of these would be fun to own. A Porsche 944, I believe. Yeah.
Not walking as much. Go ahead. You go.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, did you guys notice how well Lisa's doing with her cane? Walking all over. She's pretty fast.
She's going slow right now. Really slow.
Yeah, she gets tired. See whose stock car this is. Bill Davis. NASCAR Grand National car, which would be the what do you call it? Not the Busch Series. What's the current one? Nationwide. Nationwide? No, Xfinity Series. NASCAR Xfinity Series. Yeah, who would have thought these would be a collectible? Look at this, you know, old Nova. What, 78 Nova maybe? Let's see. See if I'm right. Oh, 77 Nova. Okay. The Corvette room. Okay, here's that C7. The C7 body style. Love this much better. Oh yeah, they got all the C4. I believe that's a C4 also. But yeah. This is my favorite body style, you know, recent model years. Oh, 25th anniversary special. I built a model of this when I was a kid. What the heck is this? Guess they're showing us the undercarriage. Alright, that's kind of interesting. Oh, what is this, like a...
One van?
Yeah. What is it, like a 21 window or something like that? They call it a 21 windows? 23 window. 23 window van conversion. Love it. Yeah, it says here. Somebody's getting a little wild. 33 Buick limousine. Oh, I see a Pantera. Never see a Pantera. De Tomaso Pantera. Used to be one of my favorite cars. Still is one of my favorite cars. Had 351 Cleveland. Pantera made the body at that. Well, let's see here. I think is it British? No. Italian. Built the body. Stuck a Ford in it. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys. There's the engine. Right behind the seats here. You think that doesn't get a little loud? Wow. Here we go. Check out this Roadrunner. Oh, I love these things too. Got the wing. Race. I remember Richard Petty drove one for a couple, 2 or 3 years. Everything at some point is going to become collectible. So whatever you're driving now, if you take care of it. Oh, I forgot the name of this. That is beautiful. In Auburn. Wait a second. Oh, it's a replica. Boat tail speeder replica. Okay, yeah, this is outside. This is where Martin Auto Museum, and it's roughly 43rd Avenue and Thunderbird in Phoenix. These are people from the community brought their hot rods here. This Christmas car show. Boy, it looks like a lot of them left already. Yep. Old Galaxy Survivor. Another one. The Ranchero? Like the El Caminos?
Yeah.
Ranchero, Ford Ranchero. Okay, got to show you this rat rod VW here. Look how low that is.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Right.
This one of you guys's?
That's mine.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah, it's funny because we couldn't find a motor cheap. Like, well, I got a bunch of motors cheated or none of this one anyway, so we just built the stock 1600. And
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Better than I thought. That was
Yeah,
really cool.
yeah. Driven by here how many times, and yeah, that's good. Well, let's go find something else to do. All right, those cool cars, huh?
A lot better than I thought, and you know, I say that all the time, but I'm usually not fond of going to car shows, but that was a good one. I like the place.
You've enjoyed them.
Well, yeah.
But anyway, hey, we appreciate you guys' patience with these videos. Yeah, we should be freed up after the first of the year to kick out a regular weekly video again. This will be Wednesday before Christmas. Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas.
We love each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you can tell when we publish a video. But again, Merry Christmas. We love you. Thanks for all the prayers and support this year.
Enjoy your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Okay. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.